there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a treble. Start with a chain and you will need 4 more chains than the stitches you need. So if you need 10 trebles, then make 14 chains. And we will start by yarn over twice. So that's once, that's the second time, and then into the 6th chain from the hook we will insert the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into that 6th chain insert your hook, then yarn over and pull up a loop, and you will have 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time yarn over, pull through 2. And this is your treble. Let me show you again. Yarn over twice, then insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now I will show you how to continue with round 2. This is the finished row. Now turn and we will make our first treble, which is actually a chain of 4. So chain 4, and this counts as your first treble. So we won't be crocheting in this very first stitch right here because we've made this. This is our treble. Now let's make the next treble. Yarn over twice, insert your hook under the stitch, those 2 loops in a V shape, insert your hook under them, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is your treble. I'll show you one more time where to insert your hook. Yarn over twice, insert your hook through those 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, you'll have 4, yarn over, pull through 2, you'll have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And just a note, at the end you'll have these chains. You will need to make your last treble at the top of these 5 chains you skipped at the beginning, because they count as a stitch. Same here, when you come back with the 3rd row, you'll have to make your last stitch at the top of chain 4. And this is how you crochet a treble.